Hello friends, in this video lecture of computer network, we are going to see network topology. Under network topology, we will see what is network topology, significance of network topology, and types of network topology. So what is network topology? These are four diagrams associated with network topology. Here you can see these are actually nodes and there is one line, means on both the side of line nodes are connected. Here you can see one node is there at the center and remaining nodes around that central node. Here in this diagram you can see four nodes are there. 1, 2, 3, 4 nodes are there in a circular order. Here you can see there is root node and remaining nodes are there. So on the basis of these four diagrams, we can say that network topology is basically a way we connect different computing entities. The computing entities can be anything which is part of network. Means we call that entity is basically node. Your computer is computing entity. Mobile phone is involved there, then it becomes computing entity. Printer is there, then it becomes computing entity. So anything which involved there in the networking is known as computing entity. Means anything which involved there in the computation is known as networking entity. So this network topology is nothing but where we connect different computing entities. Like this, here in this diagram, we connect nodes in the serial way. Here in this, we have connected nodes in a star-like fashion. Here we connected nodes in a circular order, and here we connected nodes in a tree-like fashion. So that is the way we connect different computing entities. In another language, we can say how various computing devices are connected to each other. So along with that, this network topology is basically physical and the logical arrangement of nodes and connections in a network. Some nodes are actually physically connected with each other. Some are logically connected with each other. Example of Wi-Fi, you can say that Wi-Fi or hotspot, there is a logical connection of each and every node with each other. If the Ethernet or the LAN is concerned, we need physical connection. So nodes can be anything as you have been instructed, include devices such as switches, router, software with switch and router feature. Anything or any computing entity can be node. And these network topologies are represented in the form of graphs. Here each vertex is basically a node and one node is connected with another node with the help of connecting lines or connecting links. What is the significance of network topology? First one is the working related. In this case, we are completely aware about the working of network. Means we are aware that how network functions. Then if network topology is known to us, in that case, we can easily identify the fault. Because of that, troubleshooting and allocation of resources become easy task. Because of graphical representation, we can easily diagnose network issues. Means in graphical representation, there are two nodes. We can easily identify if there is a proper connectivity between two nodes or not. So that's why we need graphical representation. The next topic is types of network topologies. So basically there are 6 types of network topology. First one is the bus topology. So this diagram is related to bus topology. Means here In this topology, all nodes are connected there with the help of one line in a bus-like manner, in a serial manner. That is bus topology. Second one is the star topology. This is the diagram of star topology, where all nodes are connected in a star-like manner. Here, third one is the ring topology, means flow of token is there in a circular order. Fourth one is the tree topology. Tree-like pattern is there. This one is the root node, and remaining nodes are actually subnodes having different branches. Mesh topology is there. Mesh topology means each and every node is connected with each other. Means we can say this is mesh topology. Each and every node is connected with each other. And last one is the hybrid topology. Hybrid means mixing of properties. If there is a mixing of properties of two or more topologies, that is known as hybrid topology. So we will see details of all topologies one by one in the next video lecture, along with its features, working, advantages, disadvantages, and some numericals based on these topologies. Thank you.